Man, I got too much stuff in the back. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So today we'll be looking at the charts. I have a couple of questions now to ask for beginners. You know, beginners sometimes come in here, so I will tell you. I wrote down a couple of questions I know that would be beneficial to y'all. So we're gonna log in our accounts and we're gonna get started. We probably won't even trade today. I won't really plan on trading today. But if I see a major sell, I'll probably take it. But I'm not really planning on trading. Already logged in. First, we're not even gonna go to our regular chart. We're gonna go to hold up. I need my phone. Won't spray the air. It already smells good in here, but I can't smell nothing. Got the last one. What? So, we are live as I speak right now, and today I wrote down a couple of questions for beginners or experts on how to look at the market, when to buy in the market, the percentage you should make in the market, bias, what type of market we in, and I will be answering all of that in the live. So I will go each question one by one. I wrote down multiple questions on each pair, you feel me? And we're gonna get to it. So join the live and tap in. Are live as I speak right now, and today I wrote down a couple of questions for beginners or experts on how to look at the market, when to buy in the market, percentage you should make in the market, bias, what type of market we in, and I will be answering all of that in the live. So I'll go each question one by one. I wrote down multiple questions on each pair, you feel me? And
Liberty Mutual customized my car insurance and I saved hundreds. That's great. I know, I've been telling everyone.
Okay, let's go. All right, we planned everything. So here's what we're doing today. So today, um, I might be in the zone, so I'm gonna keep looking back at the chat, but I'll be answering all questions because no one's here. So let's go. So Nas, let's go to Nas. As on the daily, we gonna delete all of this. We're gonna delete everything. Except the thing yesterday. We're gonna look over the yesterday's here real quick, and then we'll be answering the question what happened. For yesterday's here, what we tried to do was look for a sell around here because as you can see, we're in a bullish downtrend, so we just try to trade with the trend. But as you can see, it broke out of this yesterday. You could have got the sell after this broke out of a range. And once this broke out of here, I was looking for sell, but it never came back. Like I said, it was in a range. Boom, boom, boom. I look for sell. Never showed me a sell, any type of sell type of breakout or bias, like as in showing me on sell side liquidity on the lower time frames. They never showed me that. So therefore, we never caught the sell. And as you can see, it's in a steady uptrend. So there was even no reason to enter the sell, as you can see. So let's go down the low time frame. As look, you can't just sell since it got here. You gotta sell and see what does it match up. You feel me? Hold on. As you can see, let's zoom in a little bit. We're gonna check the 15 minutes. We're gonna go down. We're not gonna do the full. We're gonna do a full exam. I just wanted to show y'all what I seen yesterday. Then we'll break it down as I see the sales. You know, I like entering 5 in 1 minute. Even 1 minute, I couldn't even find out how the market is moving. So as you can see, it goes up. Never. You take off these EMAs. As y'all can see, all right, let's go. As y'all can see, it came here. We're going to zoom in. The candles never really show any sell side. As you can see, it broke out, never came back down. Broke out, never came back down. Broke out, never came. You see, as y'all can see, this probably been a good buy. Because look, as it every time it breaks out, higher high, this is the lowest it ever been. And once it comes to the lowest, it never comes back. It breaks out again. This is how you tell higher highs from lower lows. Breaks out again because what? It broke this area. Broke here. We could just say that. Came lower. Broke here. Broke the new high. Broke here. Broke here. Came back. Broke here again. So this is the new high. Boom. And then where's the new lower low? This is a clean trend right here. Because look, the new lower low is where it broke out at. It broke out again. Came back down. Look, this is the lowest it's been. So it broke out of here, came back down. Another one. Broke out from here, came back down. As you see, this is a clean trend. So there weren't any sell side buys. If you've been selling, I don't know why. If I was forcing it, and I tried to enter around 10 o'clock, that's the usual time I try to enter. But what was the point of selling? It won't show me any sell side bias on a 5 minute. Damn sure not even on a 1 minute. Because look, even on a 1 minute, you probably can get tricked out. But if you don't even show sell side bias on a 1 minute, damn, that means you know not to get in the market. So look, as you see, you try to find sell side bias, you can't because look, uptrend, 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 uptrend. It's not even showing no sell side. The most you can say is it come up here, but this is like I said, this is the 1 minute. You can say sell side, but it never really. You can see, all right, oh, higher, higher, lower, low. That's too much of a little. It could just stand right here, as you can see. Like I said, the market ain't perfect. So this is really the same to me. So I won't even tell it. It got to drop a little bit harder than that. And then it never really showed any type of sell side, as I can see. Now you see, as the trend keep going up, you see, as if you never knew the market, you could tell it's just going up basically, and you could tell you don't really see any sales. Like you could just, it ain't making no lower lows, just going higher and higher and higher. So therefore, there was no point to even enter. So that's it. So on today's topic, so look, check this out. So on today's topic, what did I answer? Okay, now we're going daily. I will be deleting all of this, but I won't delete the answers. So we went over the what I seen yesterday. I didn't answer. I really didn't trade all week this week. I've been on a losing streak. Sometimes you just want to sit back and observe your strategy, or the market just was in a range of motion at the time, so I really didn't even answer. So okay, I'm sorry for the wait, little man. So we're gonna start from scratch. These are our questions. We're gonna put them right here. These are the questions I want to answer myself. Range of market after trending market for the past 3 days. What is the cause of the buyers or sells for it? How to profit range and how to profit off ranging and trending market. Trying to enter up to 15 or less candle, but analyze every fucking time frame to see the advantage. Do you buy low and sell high? What is the percentage of that? When do you buy low and sell high? What type of market is beneficial for that? At the ranging or trending market? Look at the best times you enter the market. So see what time you are enter the market. Do you enter New York time, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, London time, which is 3 p.m. Eastern. I'm in New York Eastern time. 3 p.m. at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Or when your setup comes. Asian session. I'll be start doing Asian sessions very soon. That's around like probably past 5 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. The market don't move as much. You can still make profit off anything. So we're gonna keep going. So all right, let's go. So as you can see, what we want to see from the market. So as of right now, you can see it's pushing on. It broke out of we gotta look at it. This was ranging. So we're gonna do gold zones for ranging. Gold, no, we're gonna do gold zones. We're gonna do gold zone for ranging. So as you can see, this is the gold zone for ranging. It came in here, it broke out. It came in, it's playing ping pong. Breakout. Okay. So what can you see from this breakout? After you can see, it wanted to come back here as it broke off from here. I probably want to come back here where it took off at. Like I said, it's trending. Trend up, trend down. Higher highs, lower lows. Higher highs, lower lows. Higher highs, lower low. Higher high, lower low. Ranging, ranging, ranging. Breakout. Now it's in the sell side bias, or to be not in the sell side bias, but right now we are in the sell side bias because it broke out of this range. So what we can look for, I wanted to hit this area, around this area, but we can try to look for sales. But as of right now, it's going up. So the daily can't show us it all, but we know once it broke out of here, it was sell side bias on the daily time frame. So let's go to the 4 hour. And keynote, you don't have to look at every time frame if you like a 1 minute strategy. We just gonna go through it to see, like, sometimes it's beneficial to know more information basically. So we're gonna go to 4 hour. Because I don't really look at this as much either. And you see ranging market. Boom, 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 boom. Identify the ranging market. You can even, some people even say, sell, high, break, come back, sell, come back. Never came, never broke the low, never broke the high, never broke the high. So as you can see, even in the range, so in the ranging, this is ranging, but as you can see structure wanted to break out. You want structure wanted to break out, but it never made any higher highs, and it kept making lower lows. So it looked highest, 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 highest. It's probably just, like I said, this is kind of how it's arranged for me. But it's keep making lower lows, and as you can see, boom, it breaks out of it. So in the 4 hour loop, can we tell? Lower low. So alright, boom, low, high, low, high, low, break, and this is a break too. So as you can see, it wants to break an area, this type of area. We're gonna switch this to a sell side area. Because usually, even if it wants to go up, it will sell somewhat off and then come back. Or like we said, we're in buy liquidity. So every time it came past there, it buys. Well, we can't really tell because it only did it once. Once, hell, 1, 2, 3. Every time it breaks here, it comes up to at least right here, minimum. So the market likes to repeat itself. So we're gonna go in and study the parameters. So look, it comes up to here. That's a lot of points. That's why I said daily can actually show you something. Look how much points it is. Every time it breaks it, boom. Breaks, boom. Breaks. That's the minimum it goes up to. So we're gonna have to see what the market is giving us. But as of right now, it broke out of this. So we try to look for sales, and then even if you look for buys, you can look to somewhere from up here because the market loves to repeat itself. So I'll take profit. Would be like right here. I'll take her to be somewhere right here. And yeah, so we'll look for a sell. Let's go to the hour. Like I said, hour. We are downtrend now. Since yesterday, we could tell, we can identify we're in an uptrend. until it reached here. So basically, you want it to reach back here because they were in the uptrend. So come back here. If I could go back down, I want it to at least come back down to here. But if it's going up, we're gonna follow the trend. Even on the lower, it probably is sales. But as you can identify on a, like I said, you want it to come back. Once it drops, it has to retrace. Let it retrace at least or in here, and then see some type of sell top bias and the push down, and then we probably could enter, or it can come up. We don't really know what it can do here, and it could break this, and you could go buy side bias. So, like I said, come up here, try to find the sell side bias in here, and try to enter from here, or buy side bias as you can find. So right now we're buy bias until it enters here, basically. And we can start looking for sales depending on what the market gives us. So okay, the daily. Look at previous market structure. As you can see, we're gonna remove this sell. So the hour, look at previous market structure. We're gonna use a different color. Market structure. So boom, 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 buy here. So you vote around here because it broke structure. The sell side liquidity, or you could have waited till it come back here. It depends on how you trade. Some people like to buy like we just gonna talk about buying low and selling high. So it broke out a range in sell side liquidity. So therefore, you bought. So you come here. We're gonna go to replay on it. So we're gonna come here. So as you can see, it comes up, it comes down, it breaks here, breaks structure here. Break structure here, so boom, boom. Try to enter somewhere around here. And it never comes back on. You at least try to get the 2 to 1. At least a 2 to 1. Never comes back. Never comes back here. And yeah, that's what you want. Something like that. Never comes back and hit your zone. And sometimes it won't come back and hit your zone. But like I said, trading, you just want to see the best probability. So yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool. That trading view got that. That's hard. So now we in Nas, and now I'm sorry for confusing y'all. We're gonna pull this out. And what kind of market we in now? As you can see, I see it just going up. So you just try to look at the market for what it is. Trending. You don't have to wait for breakouts. You just try to enter with the trending. So trending, you see as it like look, as you can see, it's ranging. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. Once I seen something like this, I probably would have put something like this. Wait for it to break out. Try to look for some type of buy. Cause look, or look for some type of sell. Look for some type of buy here. Well, sell we not in market, so we try to look for some type of buy. Enter time. We probably couldn't enter because I didn't had an entry point right here, and I never entered. And look how it just went up, kaboom, kabang. You see, breakout. So We're in the trending market, as you can see. Look, on a 15 minute, it's trending because you can see it keeps going up. Don't really need a trend line, but as you can see, it ain't ranging. Yeah, even if it's ranging, it comes back down and comes up. The market is not going to trend 100% of the time. But so trending markets, you could just enter off the fuck of it, as in enter somewhere right here because it's trending. Ranging, and then ranging is when the market do something like this. Boom, 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 boom. It's undecisive right now. So you try to wait till sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity is broken and see what you want to do from there. As you can see, it hits sell side liquidity, so I'll try to buy. And even if you want to keep selling, I could have, like, say I enter from here. That's why I say you don't want to get nothing too high because it can still be over sell side. So as you can see, look, say I want to enter from here, that's a 2-to-1, and then say if it went back down to this yellow line, which I believe is going to do, I at least got my 2-to-1, and I got 2-to-1, and I exit at the right time. So buying low is actually a good benefit because even when you buy low, say you buy low and it actually goes up, sometimes it could break, it could hit stop loss. But say you buy low and it still wants to go low, that's why you don't do too much points. You don't try to catch 5-to-1, 2-to-1. Just catch the lows small 2-to-1, small to 2-to-1. Keep your stop loss a little close, and you wait for buys to sweep out the sells. Do the 2-to-1. So even though if it still wants to sell, you can hit your take profit and then go straight back down. Easy. So as of right now, this is what we see. So we're on the 15. This is where we really enter. So let's go back. Daily, looking for bars. 4 hour, you can see looking for bars. 1 hour, as you see, 15. You see it broke out. It broke out. It broke out here, and the lowest it's been is here. So it could form some type of range of market. As you can see, it's playing ping pong. Time to play ping. Boom, bow, boom, bow, boom. We don't know. So we could either say it's a trending market because it is showing trending waves. Because look, it's not. As you can see, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. This is the low low. You don't put too much into it, but this is the lower low. I wish I had different colored lines. I gotta make every line. So this is the lower low. We're just gonna say that's the lower low. Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Broke the higher high. I need a different line. So we're just gonna make this a different color. So this is the lower low, which I'll make this red. Hold on. Wrong one. I'll make this red. We just looking at market structure today, if anything. We're not really entering or doing anything crazy today. And this is the higher high. So that's the 15. Alright. Boom, boom. So what can we see? Really a good entry. This is a good entry. Somewhere right here. Because even if it wants to keep going low, like say we enter a 2-to-1, this is it. Say, oh, there's even a better entry. Boom. To enter off that. And we calculate the pips, which I usually do. Calculate your pips so you do 1%. So this is 27. I'll do a 50 lot. You do like a 50, and then your enter. And you enter from here. And even so, even you can avoid sell side. Because what it broke out of this type of range. You don't even have to be perfect in the market. It broke out this some type of range here. Broke out, sell side liquidity, came back up to here. But it sold at 8 o'clock, boom. So ranging, this is how you take advantage of range, and you just wait till it breaks out. If it shows you sales, it sweeps out the low. You think it's gonna keep going up. You enter somewhere around here. Probably couldn't enter, to be honest. I probably wouldn't have entered. And it sweeps out. It sweeps it out. What is this showing me? That sell side might win. It's not showing like look. Sell side might win, goes up, comes down, goes up. So in a trending market, this will be clean. But it's showing me range and type motion. So what I'll do, I'll probably be patient. So what I would have did, I would have entered off here, to be honest. And I probably would have got out quick because it's not really showing me any trend in market. It's showing me a range and type motion. So it probably wants to come back down to here. And we can wait. To be honest, we could wait right here. We don't even care if it hits stop loss. Yeah, it's going to hit to take profit or it's going to hit stop loss. Arranging. So this is what we got as of right now. I say this is about a type of. I don't think this is one of the best setups I've ever seen in my life. This will be be like a regular setup. I won't put too much on this. 1% loss, 2% gain. I won't do nothing too crazy and wait till this play out. Usually I would probably cut it loss. Even so, you want to cut your winners, losers quick. So if it probably came back, if it came probably down to here, I'll probably just exit. So if it came down to here, I'll let us exit. So cut your loss quick. This is not showing. If it breaks this, it wants to come here. That's what I look at it. If it breaks this, the market wants to come here. And sometimes you can't take advantage of that. So it comes here. Watch, it wants to come here. Once it comes here, it comes here. It might come here. We don't know. But we're in the sell side. Like I said, we be patient and so all right, let's go to 30. You can see 30 doing the same thing. But the daily goes on do daily goes on supply, whether you're doing is in the daily support. You kind of answered that, but like I said, it's always good to go over things multiple times so you can get it. Because that's kind of like me. Sometimes someone tells me something once, it's hard to progress new information the first time. So you have to, like I said, hear it again, write it down. So I like to go over things multiple times. People be like, "Oh, how you gonna get it the first time?" Well, my brain just didn't process um the whole information. So we're gonna delete all of this. And we're gonna wait to see what Nas play out. What I want to see Nas do. So as you can see, we deleted everything. So this is what Nas did. So as a Nas, we got 5 minutes, and this is what we got. So we want to see a pair come up. It breaks lows, comes back. As you can see, I wanted to go back down. Or if it breaks this, therefore it's gonna keep flying. But if it shows me any type of sell, I'll look for it to come at least here. Buy, like you see. You can see it's trending, trend. This is trending, 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 trending. Breaks out, still trends. That's all 1 minute ain't sometimes ain't the cleanest, but hey, let's go to 30. So 30, what can we see? We can put our notes to the side. We're gonna go over the notes. We're gonna go over it. But 30, as you can see, what do you want to do? Let's delete it. What do we see here? I seen 30. We're gonna look at the daily. Daily golden zone. What is our daily golden zone? Where price was ranging at and it took off. So where price was ranging at and it took off. Boom, it took off here. Lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Didn't break. Pattern sign. Get out. Comes back here. Wants to come. So two things when I know that golden sign. So if it's a golden sign and it comes up, the thing I like about daily, even if it wants to go right now, it hit a golden zone. So therefore, at least give me 50. That's what you can expect. So even if it wants to continue to sell, give me 50. Maybe it doesn't come back up to here. But damn sure I at least know it's gonna come to here and probably drop. So what would you look for the past days? Buys. It came here, it broke out of here. So the next day you probably look for buys. But we go on a lower time frame to see where can we enter. So like say this is some type of liquidity grab right here. As you can see, it was ranging here for a long time. You can see it was ranging here for a long time. As you can see, price was ranging here for a long time. So this is a gold zone and it flew up. So once it hits the gold zone and it flies up, as I can see right here, I at least want to come back somewhere in this area of market. Somewhere in here. And yes, the one thing I have noticed when I really try to study people with a market, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to go where you think price repeatedly tap itself, ranging. So ranging, because most people be like, "Why you don't get the lowest and get the highest?" You probably can do that. So say you do, it hit the golden zone and come here, but sometimes I think price wicks out hard and then comes. I try to go where price is mostly at, and it's mostly here. So I try to keep it tight. We see price here, price here, price here, price here. It is right here, but you don't. It is right here too. But you see price wicks down here. Sometimes price will just wick up. It's not going to be perfect all the time. So try to get to a point where emphasis where price just keep hitting instead of, or if you just go to a price where price keep hitting. So this is more of a ranging market to me. So comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up. Even it never came back down. Sometimes you don't get it. Comes up, comes down. What you doing, dog? No, no. So now we go to the 4 hour. What is the 4 hour telling us? We're gonna move this out the way. As you can see, 4 hour range. Like I said, what happened? And this is perfect. This was probably an A setup because this is a 4 hour. It came out, broke out. Look for some type of buy-side liquidity here. You could look for this in a smaller time frame, somewhere right here. Somewhere right here. And look, we got something right here. We got over 424 points. That's a lot of points. But we don't do high time frame. But we should eventually. Eventually we will start swinging training. But right now we talk about intraday and scalping, which most people are really interested in. That one. Now, as you can see, the 4 hour showed us. This is what the 4 hour showed us. Ranging, breakout, buy side liquidity. Come on. What is the market doing now? Trending. I don't see no range. As you can see, look, this is trending, 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 trending. It's not coming back up. Trending the whole day. This is trending. So you'll just try to enter where you could fit in that. We still only talked about entering or ranging markets, which is once it and sell sales out liquidity like this. We enter all ranging. So this is ranging. It comes up, try to look for some type of buy and come on. That's what we've been talking about. But how do you enter oysters ranging? I mean trending. Get in where you fit in, basically. Real shit. When it goes low, like I said, so where do you fit in that? So let's see. Could have entered here. Never came back down. No. Never came in here. So you couldn't enter off this trending type move. Because look, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. Never came back here, lower low. That's trending. This is trending. This whole thing is trending. It's trending. It's trending. It's trending. It's not giving me equal highs. When it start giving me equal, you could probably change the ranging. But when it's not showing me equal, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. It's not coming that down here. That probably would have been ranging. Because look, it came back down, higher high, lower low. High. It's just making new higher. If it's not coming to the same spot as in like this, boom, 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 it's not ranging. It's trending. So therefore, you will try to enter somewhere, or I would have entered somewhere, never hit here. But if it come back down a little lower, come here, get price to here, and then you don't want it to hit the lowest of those. So you get somewhere around here. And me, I would have made it like a 2-to-1. Like I said, try to get a 2-to-1. Boom. It would have been a good entry. Never came there. Sometimes the market won't give you everything. That's what you could expect. Now, hour. So what is this hour telling me? Kind of telling me arranging. So look, higher high, lower low, higher high, comes back down, hits here, comes back down. So it's telling me some type of range. But we're gonna look on a 15. So as you can see, yes, we're in some type of range. But can we find some buy side liquidity? We're on a 5-minute. What can we see? So as you can see, 15-minute. This is the range. We're gonna keep it tight. Gonna keep this tight. Go where price hit originally. So say if it broke out of here, you just on some sell. Well, really, I wouldn't have found some sell side, but this was a range. Sell side. Maybe try to look for any type of buy side. I said at least up to here. Let's see what price they do. It hits here. Oh, and we got check news. Let's see if any major news. So there's no major news today. So we'll just keep studying the market. Okay, as you see, Nas is doing his thing. So where was our buy side? Green. We're gonna make this green. So we go to Nas. But Nas showed us it didn't work. So what I could tell, whose price will go to here? So you could at least see price go to here. That's not really arranging. It's just too damn low. Well, at least foreign price to go to here. At least price will come to here. That's what I think. Price at least come to here. If anything. Alright, because look, sell side liquidity. Even if it wants to come back up. Oh, it will. So as you can see, I entered over here. Quick move, nothing too crazy. Small piss off because I at least know it's gonna go here. Because it's not giving me what I want. So it's not giving me any type of buy side bias. Basically. Because it's in the trending. So trending, it's not giving me nothing. But I at least want to hit here. They hit our TP. It's where I wanted it to hit. Quick little move. And then a quick 2% to the account. And like I told you, it will at least come. If it comes here, it's going to come here. Why? Because sales didn't want to break here. So as you can see, it hits I'll take profit and it probably wants to come up. Like I said, you don't want to hold it for very long. This would have been cool. Look at US30. This would have been cool. Nice little 2 to 1. But you know it's guaranteed. Barely 2 to 1. So look, broke out of here. Never retrace, never retrace. Break structure, come up, boom. As you can see, like that sound. Yeah. Oh, pick my camera. be good. Woo! And now we just gonna exit this. We're not gonna look at it too much. We're gonna come back at night and look at it. Now we're gonna look at gold. Gold. We ain't trade gold in such a long time. We'll put our questions right here. This was in the range of market at the 15-minute time frame. Figure out what's the best move in a 1 minute or a 5 minute time frame. Can you trade profitable in a range of market? Look at the wicks and explain what is it doing. Does news affect this? So those are the questions that we will be answering in gold in this gold category. So as in today, we will delete everything. Delete, 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 delete. What's up, bro? What's up? Come here, girl. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Yes, girl. Yeah. Yeah. Boom. Boom, boom. Huh? Boom. Boom. Look at her. Boom. 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 Look at you. Boom. Boom. All right. Let's get back to it. So as you can see, gold has been in a trending for a very long time. Very long time. As you can see on the daily. This is incredible. You don't get shit like this in the market on a daily basis. Don't get shit like this on a daily basis. So this is what we do. 4 hour. Now you see, we can see it's just trying to delete this, delete everything. So daily, as of right now, I give it trending. This was ranging. This was ranging. So our range will be somewhere right here. And somewhere right here. Come more, like I said, I put range in where price meets its middle. So I'm not gonna put this as a range. That's really fucking impossible. We don't. It can start right here and go back up. So it meets its middle. Sometimes it's just gonna break. So it meets its middle. Cause this is the lowest too. But we're not gonna put it here. We're gonna go where it meets its middle. Come here, where it meets its middle. Somewhere where it meets the middle. And yeah, now we go to 4 hour. So as you see, we're playing ping pong. Ma, 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 ma. Okay. Sometimes pairs move different. That's why I say you look at one pair. What I notice about gold, when it goes ma, sometimes 50% of the times it comes back down. Ma, 50% comes back down. So if it comes back down, ma, you can get a 50, comes back. Ma, 50 comes back. Ma, this went 100 this time. You get me? So sometimes if it comes here, it will go 50. Or if it comes here, sometimes it'll go 100. So what can we look for? So let's just say right here, it came out of this type of market. We go to 1 hour. We want to see what gold gave for us. 15 minutes still. Some type of range. Like I said, we're looking for a range. It's not giving us any type of fucking buy. It's not giving us any type of buys, as y'all can see. Yeah, we ain't gonna trade. Or we just got a quick little thousand. We ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. Okay. So as you can see, even on 5 minutes, boom. This is what people would think. Boom. It broke structure here. Well, it really didn't because it's alright. High, lie, never really broke structure. So look. So even so, let's rewind it so we can't even see the market. So we want to rewind it back to here. So because this would have been confusing to me because I know stuff. Like I said, I've been confused too. This is not a lower low. This is a lower low. So as you can see, you'd be like, oh, it broke right here. So oh, it broke right here, so we can start buying. But it never broke structure. So even so, you probably would have entered right here and got fucking stopped out. So therefore, you have to be a little patient. So right now, it's in a range of motion. Mom. Like I said, mom. In a range of motion. Now, boom. Break out of this range. With structure here. Make this inverse W. One entry. This is one. Nothing lower than here. Somewhere right here in this range. This is one entry. Wouldn't enter because what time is it? It's fucking 6:44. So we're gonna ignore that. But that would have been the entry. So boom, it comes out of this. But hold up. That's why I be getting fucking confused. You got two different lines. Or two of the same colors, you know. So boom. Come up. Like in range and so we'll try to cap something. You can cap something around here. Like I said, this is probably a good buy. Even if so somewhat of a good buy here. Don't want it to come back down in here. Boom. So you'll come back down in here and then boom. Now boom. So ranging, you want to exit the range and you want to see a little bit of buy. Um I was kind of safe for this. I didn't but I really truly didn't believe it was gonna go back down because it keep breaking structure. And also it's mainly look at the hour now. Let's go back. It's mainly in a uptrend. So it probably wants to fake some people out and come back up. That's why ranging sometimes you can actually benefit off ranging because say if I want to you probably come up to here, maybe this is just a strong fake out. So you want to get every advantage you can in the market. So you either enter off here, or got off here. Look, boom. So really, hmm, could have got here. Hmm, could have got here. I wouldn't dare go from here, but I at least would have did something like this. At least that's been a good one. And as y'all can see, I will go over ranging markets and trending market. Mainly, I went over ranging and how can you benefit over ranging. But next week, I'll be going over trending markets, and we ain't gonna stay here too long. It's 11 o'clock. Salud, and I appreciate anyone for joining, even though Nick didn't join. Bye. Yeah. So thank y'all for joining, and I appreciate the join, the concern. Yeah.